Hey guys, I hope you're excited. Today is the day that I'm going to do a full review of Booming Bookkeeping Business. You guys have been emailing me and messaging me to ask me about this course and what I thought about it, and so I did a bunch of research to get you all the info that you need. My name is Morgan from FinePoints.biz. Make sure you check out my free masterclass and checklist all about being a bookkeeper. Subscribe to my channel, and I would love it if you give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so Booming Bookkeeping Business is going to help you become a bookkeeper really from day one. So if you know nothing and you want to set up your business, you want to learn QuickBooks, you want to learn accounting stuff, marketing, that's all going to be included in the course. So I scheduled a call with Bill and asked him all about this course, and he gave me access inside. So at the end, I'm going to show you a screen record of what it looks like inside, and he gave me all the ins and outs of what this course is like. So I know probably one of your first questions is how much does it cost? It is a little under $2,000 if you do one lump sum payment, or you can break it up into smaller payments and pay a little more, and each payment is $197 for 1 year. So you can spread it out if you like. And those, of course, are the prices at the time I am filming this. That could definitely change in the future. So the class is designed to take about 6 to 8 weeks if you are working 5 hours a week on the program. And I'm actually going to do a video next week with a giant updated list of all bookkeeper trainings, not all, but a bunch of bookkeeper trainings that I know and I love. And so definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed, and be excited for that video. All right, so like many courses of this kind, it includes a whole training section, and then it also has a Facebook community that you can ask questions and kind of get to know people in. And it has weekly coaching calls with Bill. So there's a group coaching calls, you could submit questions and he'll answer all of them. And when I talked with him, that was one thing he was really proud of and really excited about, is that you are getting a lot of more one-on-one attention with him, and he is there on those calls answering questions. So if that is important to you, definitely something to be aware of. And then some of the things he lists as bonus materials are checklists and templates. And then there's a pricing calculator, which I love pricing calculators, and then just some more marketing materials and resources. And then within the base of the training modules, it does include pretty much everything that I would expect and I would need to start my bookkeeping business. So it talks about how to start your business, which is like setting up your LLC, getting your business name, all that logistical stuff. It talks about kind of the basics of accounting, so what are debits and credits and that kind of stuff. So kind of the more background stuff that you need to know or are supposed to know as a bookkeeper. And then it also goes kind of the daily tasks of bookkeepers. How do you input a check? How do you reconcile a bank account? That kind of thing. And one thing Bill mentioned to me that kind of sets his course apart from some other ones is his focus on marketing. So in his opinion, his marketing section is quite robust and it has a lot of information in there. And when I was in there, it's true, he does go through a lot of different platforms that you can use. So, everything from Facebook ads to, I forget all of them, but it's Yelp and LinkedIn and some of the other ones that you don't hear as much. And like many courses, you get lifetime access and you can do this at your own pace. Definitely leave me any questions you can think of in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If I don't know the answer, I will find out for you. Or if you've taken Booming Bookkeeping Business, definitely let us know too what you think. Because I actually haven't gone through this course in detail. I've just been inside and I'm able to see all the modules, but I don't have a comprehensive knowledge of it. And I was trying to think of some of the cons of this program. So first of all, it doesn't give you any kind of certification. As you probably heard me say before, bookkeeping isn't a regulated field, so you don't have an overarching certification as a bookkeeper, but you can get certified in different courses or through different programs. In QuickBooks, you can get a certification. This one doesn't come with a certification, so I don't know if that is important to you or not. It's a little arbitrary, but I know it kind of looks good on paper. I thought that there was less opportunity for hands-on practice within this course. So there wasn't a, try it along with me, handout homework sheet, which I think is really helpful because I really learn by doing. And if you're comparing it to Bookkeeper Launch, I do think it is a little bit less robust. There's a little bit less information. It is cheaper though, so you kind of get what you pay for. So if you want something a little shorter, a little cheaper, I think this is a great option. And I do agree that the marketing section is actually better than Bookkeeper Launch. And I think a really good way to get a feel for this course or any course that you're looking at is to, oftentimes there's a free series. And so he does have a free series. I'm going to leave all these links below to how to sign up and how much it costs and all this stuff. So no one is paying me to make this video. I don't earn any money from them to make this or do this review. He did give me an affiliate link though. So that just means anytime someone purchases the program using my link, I get a small percentage of that. So if you did hear about the program from me, definitely use my link because that helps support my business a lot. So check out that free series, see if you like Bill's teaching style because he is the one doing all the videos. You'll see in the thing that I'm going to do next, he uses like the whiteboard and writes on it, so you can see if you like that style, because you will be listening to hours and hours of this person speak, and you want to make sure it works with your learning style. All right, so now we're going to jump into the program. I actually find this super useful when I'm able to see what's inside, when I'm trying to decide what to purchase or what trainings to do. So hopefully this helps you out as well. Here is a peek inside the course. I actually really like the platform and I feel like it's set up very intuitively and it's easy to figure out what's where. So you can see all the lessons are labeled 1 through 10, and actually 1 is orientation, and then 9 and 10 are these calls and then bonuses. So kind of the meat of it is here. And the beginning, 2 through 5 are kind of how to be a bookkeeper. So that's kind of like the beginning part where you're learning to be a bookkeeper, and then there's marketing, and the last part of it is about clients. So how are you getting the clients, how are you pricing, and how do you actually like onboard them, or closing the deal is what he calls it. So I'll let you see inside some of these things. Each one inside has a number of different modules and they're pretty easy to understand. So insurance, for example, and Bill uses this the format where he's writing as he goes along with what he's talking. So if you like that, that is great. And then you can kind of like see on the side the menu of what you're getting here. He does stress that he provides good support, and if you email him, he'll get back to you. And then he said his marketing one is the most robust. And so I think that's kind of a little bit what he's known for. So you can see kind of the marketing overview there. And then there's a bunch of there's training on all the different, marketing options. So Google, Yelp, and all the ones. Setting up your business is kind of like the legal side. Bookkeeping fundamentals is basically like assets and liability, equity, like all kind of the accounting principles that are behind the scenes when you're a bookkeeper. And then it goes into some QuickBooks screen records here to talk about different reporting. And then QuickBooks Mastery is more what you're going to be doing in QuickBooks, what you're going to be, how you're going to be working with clients. So money in, money out, and trainings on all of those things. So there is a lot in here. Each of these is about 10 minutes, I would say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and a thumbs up is a huge compliment. I really appreciate it. And next week, we're going to have that video come out with all the training. So I hope that you guys are excited about that. All right, I will talk to you next week. Bye.